Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a very simple but delicious way to make an omelet. The ingredients you will need are spinach, mozzarella cheese, half an onion, about 3 eggs, mushrooms, and some salt and pepper. After you wash your mushrooms thoroughly, go ahead and thinly slice them. When finished slicing them, go ahead and set aside until ready to use. Next, take the half-peeled onion and dice them. In a bowl, crack your 3 eggs and then whisk them. Heat a pan on medium heat and then go ahead and add some oil. Add in your onions and saute for 1 minute. Then add in the mushrooms. Season with salt and pepper and then saute for about another 3 minutes. Then add in the spinach and begin cooking until the spinach is all wilted. Make sure you stir it so that it's evenly combined, and then season again with some more salt and pepper. When everything is cooked, you are going to transfer it to a bowl and set aside until ready to use. Using the same pan, go ahead and add a little bit more oil, and then go ahead and take your eggs and place it into the pan. Make sure that it covers the whole surface area. Once the egg is mostly cooked, you're going to take the mozzarella cheese and place it around the whole egg. Let it cook for another minute and then add the veggies to the center of the egg. When the omelet is finished cooking, meaning there's no wet parts to the egg, you're going to start flipping it and folding it so that you can create your omelet. Now place your omelet onto a plate. This is actually my second omelet. This makes 2 servings. You can eat it by itself, or you can put some sriracha on top of it. Hope you enjoy.